in the box?
Coming up right after Peppa.
Peppa Pig, Peppa's first pet. Splish, splash, splosh. This is Goldie the fish. Goldie is very special. She is Peppa's first pet. Mummy and Daddy Pig helped Peppa choose her from the pet shop a few weeks ago. Today, when Mummy Pig feeds Goldie, Peppa notices that Goldie doesn't look happy. "Mummy, Goldie isn't eating her food," cries Peppa. "Oh dear," says Mummy Pig. "Maybe she's not feeling very well. Let's call Dr. Hamster the vet." Dr. Hamster says that they should bring Goldie to see her right away. "Let's take the bus," says Mummy Pig. Beep, beep. "Oh, look, here it is." "Hooray!" shout Peppa and George. "One mummy ticket and 2 little piggies, please, Miss Rabbit," snorts Mummy Pig. "And 1 fish, please." Peppa giggles. Miss Rabbit stops to pick up Mr. Bull. He is taking his tuba to the music shop to get it fixed. "Hello, your fish doesn't look very happy. Should I play her a tune?" Prrrmp! What a funny noise. Next, Madame Gazelle and her friends get on the bus. "Hello, Peppa. Oh no, is your fish sick? Let's sing a song to cheer her up. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town." At the vet, when Mummy Pig puts food in Goldie's bowl, Goldie grins and eats it all. Maybe Goldie was bored at home. The fun bus journey must have cheered her up. Dr. Hamster laughs. "You have a very healthy, happy little fish." Peppa is very happy. "Mummy, it must have been the music and singing that made Goldie better," she giggles, and everyone on the bus home sings. "The fish in the bowl swims round and round, round and round, round and round. The fish in the bowl swims round and round, all through the town."
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Now I'm going to let you know a little secret about this box. Inside this box there are not 1, 2, 3, or 4, but 7. 7 items. Count them, 7.
Hey guys, thanks for sticking around and joining me for this unboxing. I received this big, huge box from my friends at Media Masters Publicity, so I thought we would open it up together and see what I got. And I thought I would do it overhead so you can actually see exactly what I'm seeing. So let's open it up. All right. Looks like it was packaged quite well. Down. All right, so it looks like the first item, oh wow, this is beautiful. It is The Book of Boy by Catherine Gilbert Murdoch. Some information on it. What a beautiful book. Oh, it's like old school. The pages are kind of like an old school, old time, kind of unfinished. I don't know if you can see that. That's beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful book. And just to read the inside there. What a fine story this is. For who does not want to read about such things? A boy who can talk to animals? A terrifying, perilous journey full of bravery and daring. Knights and bandits and ghosts and thieves, howling wolves, heroic donkeys, a bag of bones, lords, ladies, liars, and riches beyond compare, and mysteries and miracles of the sort that concern the living and the dead. Wow. Beautiful. That is a beautiful book. Wow. I have to maybe put that aside and maybe do another giveaway. And remember too, if you didn't win in my latest giveaway, don't give up, because next month for Christmas, for the month of December, stay tuned, because I'm going to be giving away a gift card, and you're going to want to stay tuned for that one. So that's going to be next month, so stay tuned for that one. All right, so let's continue here. Okay, so just a quick note from Media Masters. Oh, some more National Geographic. Beautiful. Wow. This is awesome. National Geographic Kids, Weird But True. 350 outrageous facts. I love these National Geographic books. They're so educational. The pictures are just amazing. They're so beautiful. Look at that. A frog uses its long eyes to help push food down its throat. Did you know that? Rats and chimpanzees can laugh. Oh, how about this one? Big Bird is 8 feet 2 inches tall, about the same height as an ostrich. Did you know that? Anyway, so that's a beautiful book. Awesome there. Oh, what is this one? This one is, oh wow, another beautiful one. Some more information. Oh, it's National Geographic Kids debuts first fiction title in new print. Oh, that's interesting. Explorer Academy, The Nebula Secret, a novel. Wow, that's pretty cool. Adventure, danger, and a thrilling global mission await 12-year-old Cruz Coronado. Wow. As he leaves behind his home in Hawaii. I won't read all that, but if you're interested, you can pause that and read through that if you're interested in that. Wow. That is another beautiful book. Good for another giveaway. And some more National Geographic Kids. Oh wow, this one's a hardcover. Oh wow, this is very nice. Ultimate Predatorpedia, the most complete predator reference ever. Wow. There's the back of it. Just going to try and zoom out here a little bit for you guys, so you can have a little bit of a better look. Oh wow. Greenland shark. All about predatory reptiles and amphibians. Wow. Martial eagle. Wolverine. Spotted hyena. Brown bear. Wow, another beautiful book from National Geographic Kids. Very nice. I love giving away the National Geographic books in my giveaways because they're so educational. They're so beautiful. I can't say enough about them. They're just amazing books. And this one, another National Geographic Kids. Why not? Over 1,111 answers to everything. So we've got, why aren't golf balls smooth? Why can't we control the weather? Why aren't dinosaurs alive today? Why don't we have whiskers like other mammals? Why can't I eat cupcakes for dinner? Well, you could, but you shouldn't. Why can't I remember everything? That's a good one. It's Got a really nice, you see that kind of chrome finish on it too. It's beautiful. This is the back side. Why not read this book? And I'll just actually see if I can, it's kind of hard with the chrome to kind of get no glare on that. I don't know if you guys can read that. If you want to pause it and read that. It's another beautiful hardcover. And just full of information again. What beautiful books. These would make a perfect Christmas present. So educational, full of beautiful photos. You can't go wrong with National Geographic. Books in general, you can't go wrong with them. They're just, you know, they're just so educational, full of knowledge. Who doesn't want to be intellectual and smart, right? And full of information. So these are perfect for a Christmas gift, a birthday present. They're just amazing books. And like I said, I love giving these away, so I'll have to do another giveaway probably after Christmas, because like I said, next month I'll be doing my Christmas giveaway with the gift card. So maybe in the new year, January, February, maybe I'll do another giveaway and give away all these National Geographic books and those other books that we went through as well. So yeah, so it looks like that might be, yeah, that's just the end of it. So let's just pull this away and let's just recap what we got today. So we've got some beautiful National Geographic books. There was that one, the Why Not, the Ultimate Predatorpedia, and the Weird But True. So thank you so much, National Geographic, for sending those books. Those were just amazing. And then also from National Geographic, the Explorer Academy, the Nebula's Secret. That would make an awesome Christmas present as well. Great stocking stuffer for that one. And then, of course, the Book of Boy. And that one is just a beautiful, beautiful book. So thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. It's something a little bit different, but I like to do more of these come in the future. So if you like these kind of unboxings, let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more of them. I love doing them. I enjoy doing them. Once again, a big thank you to my friends at Media Masters Publicity for sending me all these books. And of course, National Geographic for supplying them with the books as well. I really appreciate it. They're all beautiful. Like I said, great for Christmas presents, great for stocking stuffers, great for birthday presents. They're just incredible educational books for anyone of any age. They're just amazing. So thank you so much for sticking out through this video and the unboxing. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.